Hi. In this video, I am going to show you how to reset Visual Studio Code settings. For this, first of all, we open Visual Studio Code. Once it's open, go to the left side and below, click on the gear icon. Then click on Settings. Go to the top right corner, click on that icon. Now here, we will remove this code. And we will not remove those brackets. And your Visual Studio Code will be reset. If you can't find this, just type Ctrl plus Shift plus P and type Open User Settings here. Then click on Open User Settings. Here you can see your Visual Studio Code has been reset. In any case, if you are not able to open Visual Studio Code due to any kind of error, close that one, and then press Windows key plus R. A Run tab will open. In this, we will right press the Enter button. Now click on JSON setting. Then click on Open with. Then click on Notepad. One should open. You can see there's a code making error in your Visual Studio Code. Just remove this. After that, press Ctrl plus S, then close the folder. Now open Visual Studio Code again. And then your Visual Studio will work properly. That's the way to reset Visual Studio Code. If you found this video helpful, please like it and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.